Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, I am so glad you found my channel. Go ahead and like this video. By doing so, you will help other people just like yourself be able to find my videos when they're looking for home decor. I was wanting to make a new tiered tray for Valentine's. I picked up 2 plates from Dollar Tree a while back because I like the shape of them. I also picked up a couple of banister railings from Lowe's a few weeks back. I was originally going to make candle holders, but I decided to go ahead and use it to make this tiered tray. Since I am using plates and not having to paint anything, these could also be used to serve food. I took the banister outside and cut it down so it would hold the top plate to the bottom plate. I then used antiquing wax to stain it. I found the center of the bottom plate and applied a large dab of E6000 to the plate and to the center of the wood. I used hot glue around the edge to hold everything in place until the E6000 has time to set up. This usually takes about 24 hours. After I attached the wood to the bottom plate, I did the same thing for the top plate, except I glued the bottom of the plate to the banister. I wanted to add a handle to the top plate. I used another piece of the banister and cut it to the length I wanted. I applied the same antiquing wax as I used before to stain the wood. I found the center of the top plate and used E6000 and hot glue again to attach it to the top plate. I had this drawer pull in my stash and decided to add it to the top of the wood. I did this the same way using E6000 and hot glue. This is my best and favorite tiered tray I have made so far, and I just love it. This was a pretty simple tiered tray DIY. If you want to give it a try and have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I read my comments and reply to all of them. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!